Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you the best recurring affiliate programs that you can join right now. But not only I'm going to show you the best ones that you can join, I'm going to talk about how we can promote recurring affiliate programs. I focus on recurring affiliate programs, and at this point I make like 2K, 3K a month, and it's always increasing. That's the best thing about recurring affiliate programs. Now, the first one I prepared for you is Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy, you can earn 30% lifetime recurring commission on every sale. They use a cookie period of 30 days and offer payments within 40 days. So this is a really great platform that you're gonna like all the package with email marketing, form builder, email verification, subscription billing. And what you can do is to start writing content like Tubebuddy versus or create YouTube videos, and I can help you with that with my mini course, which is completely for free. So that's something I can definitely recommend. So when people are using all these products, you can use Tubebuddy. So this is the first one I recommend. Definitely check it out. The first one is a Buzzsprout. Buzzsprout is a podcast hosting and like a way how you can upload your podcast. Now, the great way about Buzzsprout is that you're gonna have 20% recurring payout, and then provide new users with a $20 Amazon gift card to increase conversion rates. So they have also good marketing manager, and this is a really great way how you can like use Buzzsprout. And even when you look on the pricing plans, you see upload free like hours each month, $12 a month, which is damn good, and it's like pretty cheap. So when people are going to use it and they can like support you, what you can do is to again write articles, make reviews about Buzzsprout. But again, 20% recurring payout is amazing. So let's say that you would have, I don't know, 200 people creating podcast, which is like pretty popular, and there's like $2,400. And now let's say this is going to be 20%. You would earn monthly $480 every single month. And it's going to always increase. Like I got affiliate cooperation, which is increasing every single month. And it's like pretty great because it's like snowballing, you know? So that's another one that I would definitely recommend for you. The next one is a Thinkific. Turn your expertise into your own thriving business. With a Thinkific, you can sell your own courses, and they offer 20% recurring revenue. And this is like really great only because, again, the more people are going to use it, the more money you're going to make. When I come here, Thinkific versus Teachable, I could create videos like these. Yes, there is competition, but I would like beat it, I think. So that's something I would definitely do. Now, when we go further, the next one I prepared for you is IPVanish. IPVanish with a NordVPN are one of the affiliates that are going to offer you not only for the, let me show you where it's like partners. Yes, not only new sales generated revenue, but also 35% of all subscription renewals. What does it mean is, let's say that someone would like pay for their first month like $4 for like, I don't know, that they would join IPVanish. Then you will get for every single month they're going to pay 35%. And with NordVPN it's really similar. So this is in the VPN world. This is a great way how we can make money. Then we're gonna have like Wordable, 30% commission for every marketeer. And this is a SaaS tool that helps content creators instantly publish content from Google Docs to their content system like HubSpot, WordPress, etc. Again, 30%, pretty good. So that's something you can definitely join to. The next one is ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is a top notch only because you can have got always up to 30% based on the sales you're going to generate. And every month for as long, like if they pay $100 this month, you earn $20. If they pay $1,000 a month, you get $200 every month for as long as they stay ActiveCampaign customer. The more customers you refer, the longer they stick around, the more you can earn, up to 30% commission. And ActiveCampaign is a huge player in the market. So when we go here and look on the popularity, it's like, damn, top notch, right? And what you could do is like create YouTube videos. So there are like so many things that you can do. And oh, this is my video. Look at this. So this is something you can definitely create and start creating also this kind of content. Now when we go further, we're gonna have like Moosend, popular email marketing tool, and their affiliate program offers a 30% recurring commission. So that's good too, with a 120-day cookie duration. When you come here to the Moosend, you see the popularity is rising. And that's what I would definitely focus on too. So Moosend, good idea to create videos and write the content. Then the next one we prepared is AMO CRM, 35% again recurring commission. Lead pages is also a great way how we can make money. When you come here and write lead pages, you see that popularity of lead pages is a little bit dropping, but still people are looking away because like Squarespace, Shopify are much better for it, and then people are using online courses to sell their services and products through ClickFunnels, so lead pages is not that necessary anymore. But that's something still that you can definitely use, and they have 30% repeating revenue. Now, then we have Teachable. Teachable, online course platform that allows bloggers and website owners to build their classes to sell to their students. They offer 30% repeating payout. Again, Teachable, top notch that you can use. And I definitely recommend like checking it out. So that's something you can definitely do. Now, the next one I prepared for you is a SEMrush. And SEMrush is an influential SEO tool website owners can use to track keywords, conduct site audits, and view competitive insight. And their program is called BRush, and they offer their affiliate partners a 40% commission. So pricing is like pretty high here. So when people are going to actually use the SEMrush, you're gonna make like a lot of money. Trust me in that. So SEMrush is another one. And the last one I prepared for you is ConvertKit. Is one of my like good email marketing tools, and it's great for bloggers. They have a visual automation builder and can create triggers based on the website actions. And they offer 30% a month. This is something that I definitely recommend to check it out too. And it's like pretty good. Now, if you're gonna have like any questions, guys, I'll be pretty like excited to help you and provide you some guidance. So yep, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.